You may think that the homeowners kind of ran out of paint or ran out of steam when they were painting, but actually they were planning ahead for their ceramic backsplash. Because they wanted their backsplash to extend all the way up to the cabinets, the owners didn't bother painting this area. The space available dictates much of the pattern in these situations, so Clint has already worked out the best way to use the 17 inches between the counter and the cabinet. Most of the materials in this design are 6x6 porcelain tiles, many of which have to be cut in half diagonally to complete the pattern. The central band in the pattern is a mosaic of small polished marble pieces which are pre-mounted on a fiberglass mat for easy installation. Can you imagine in the old days how long it would have taken to install all these little pieces of tiles that we've used for an accent? Now nowadays with the matted pieces of tile, it's a lot easier and quicker to install, but hey, these things are pretty expensive. This one piece, over $20. Now it also looks great not using an accent, just using full tiles, so that's one of the decisions you'll have to make. And you can use a ceramic backsplash on just about any type of countertop, whether it's a laminate, a solid surface, or a natural stone material like the granite that we've used here. Now one of the things that you might consider is to seal all of the grout joints with a clear sealer that'll help to resist any of the stains that may be present and may occur in a kitchen area.